Cheers, girl. I'm glad so we could have able to meet up today and talk, cause we need to plan. We need to plan where I go happen with Jack, cause under this quarantine business, Jack stuck up on me. He always in the house and he don't know so we know each other. You understand?
I don't have nobody.
You don't have nobody. So me I say, since you are side chick and me and wife, he never stuck up in the house with me. He can't come look for you.
Me want to fight him.
Me say, but you don't know, so we know each other, and you know, so we good like that. We know, say, him a deal with the two of we. Me not have a problem. You're a good girl, you know.
If we go move in together, you know.
Right now, me a pre say you must come move in with me. Cause
if we go move in.
Me I wonder if we should have move in as best friend or something.
Yes.
Cause
that good enough. We not have to make you know what.
We have to know, cause maybe if you know he not go on bother with it, but you're a good girl. Are you more share my man with? Are you?
I mean, I want you.
So
me just want to share.
And man, me not lie.
Me get for me.
He have good management skill.
Rent to that cheaper, you know, girl.
You're freak, you know. Rent cheaper, one roof. So you see him figure you 50 grand and pay 50 grand over for me yard. He can't just pay 150 grand. You there in the room there, me I tell you so we can't share, cause him can't come over for your room
and
1
that
week.
mean to say
come
more
over my
pocket
room
money for me. Anything
yes.
to make my pocket get bigger.
More pocket money for you, more pocket money for me. And then it'll go easier for him.
Sharing
so
is caring.
Yes, all under this quarantine under one roof. So right now, me need to call him and we can discuss it.
I know say him could have confessed, you know. Because when time you look into things, man shot, you know.
Man shot.
Bad.
Woman plenty. So if me get a good girl side chick like you.
And me can go the next thing one other woman come bust my kin.
Can I tell you?
Risky.
Bust your kin. Risky. Can't risk getting something there. And me like you like me and everything good. Then we share Jack, man. Me like how you deal with it, you know. When you there your place late and you tell him to come home to your wife, me like them something there.
Can't make you know, man.
Me like them something there, girl. Like you know to be my.
Can't run the one, man. Me too nice.
Me not lie. He nice. A long time me and him a talk, you know.
My ex them never so nice.
A long time me and him a talk. How long now you and him a talk?
About 2 years now.
2 years?
Yeah.
Girl, you see that 2 years there when you pick him up? Are the nicest man, master. 2 years ago, me I wonder how him be up so nice, you know? Because guess what? You see, you guilty to have you, he treat me better. Girl, lick
well,
it. Yeah, good
treat
girl.
me good. Me never know
He
say
treat you
you
good, he
exist.
treat me good. What we are going to cuss
me
over
never
this
know
for?
say you exist at first. But me no mind.
Me not lie. And so the thing I figure go. We share Jack. If him name Jack, me and your name Jill.
50-50.
50-50 girl. Me agree with you. I see him way to go. For your man, for your man. We are going to share. Right now we goal of the under one roof. That me say. That me say girl. Yeah.